بسم الله أوله وآخره.
بسم الله أوله وآخره. In
Okay,
the
can you
name of
please read
Allah, in
just
its
for one
beginning
minute
and
only?
end.
Okay,
Huh?
we can read just for 1 minute this dua. Okay.
Okay. In the name of Bismillahi wa Bismillahi awwaluhu awwaluhu
أوله وآخره.
Bismillahi wa awwalahu wal akhirahu.
وآخره.
In the name of Allah, in its beginning and end.
Like to recite the dua number 1 just for the last minute. Okay.
Okay. Bismillahi wa ala barakatuh.
بركة الله.
Bismillahi wa ala barakatillah. In the name of Allah and with the blessings of Allah, and I began eating and drinking.
Okay, I think these first two dua we have already memorized. Okay.
Okay.
MashaAllah. Can we recite the dua number 3? First of all, I would like to recite one time for you. Dua after eating meal. Alhamdulillahilladhi at'amana wa saqana wa ja'alana minal muslimin. Hassan, can you please recite by yourself, okay?
Okay. Alhamdulillah.
الذي
الذي أطعمنا وسقانا وجعلنا من المسلمين.
MashaAllah, very good boy. Can you please recite this dua for 2 or 3 minutes along with English title, okay?
All praise belongs to Allah, who fed us and quenched our thirst and made us Muslims.
Can you say in which situations we have to recite this dua?
After eating
No, first
meal.
one. First one.
Oh, before eating and drinking.
Dua number 2.
If the one forgets dua before eating.
Yes, please. MashaAllah.
Okay.
Dua before eating and drinking. Sorry, dua after eating meal.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulilladzi Lillahilladzi at'amana wa saqana wa ja'alana minal muslimin.
MashaAllah.
All praise belongs to Allah, who fed us and quenched our thirst and made us Muslims.
MashaAllah. Can you please recite only for the last minute, okay?
Okay. al Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulilladzi أطعمنا وسقانا وجعلنا من المسلمين.